Keeping as far away from them as possible because they will destroy everything in their path until their energy. Their investigation has concluded that this was a hoax.
All over it? Be right, yeah. It's a fish. Yes, you will. Let's go. Superimposition or they've never been tested.
Weapon development here, we're talking about weapon dismantlement?
Nothing, sir.
In there.
I don't know. You got it. Coding, stabilizing.
Open the door and get out of there now.
Morgan, you can't do that. We'll all be fatally exposed. Flush the room, flush the room.
Empty now.
President. Yes, sir.
Please listen. The military, they've created something really bad, some kind of tool of containment. So they need people from the top of the field. Look, I can't do this without you. So...
Welcome aboard. I'm Colonel Hanley. I'm glad you're here.
If it were up to me, this would be 100% military up.
Yeah, it was up to you.
Hey guys, we're all thinking, right? We're here help. Let's go bridge and say hey to them, you know?
That's more like it.
Step us through. They're here.
This is Adam,
Morgan,
and Jackie.
Yes, sir.
Pleasure to be here.
We need to get to the detective ASAP.
You can leave your things here.
Predictable this size 10 crap is, it's having to work way outside spec. Looking at these numbers, maybe 3 hours.
Okay, fine.
Let's just modulate the field. Look, good man.
Hey, give us some breathing room, please. See if we can use statistical analysis to predict the reaction shifts.
We're sitting on 1 million Hiroshimas here. You know what? Take your time, Murphy. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen? Planet-wide nuclear winter?
Morgan, get in.
Hey,